I am a rogue engineer, born in 1977. I grew up on the early internet, chaotic, untamed. I have been outsmarting algorithms since 1998. I served in the army. I was a corporal. I was wounded on duty. The system walked away. No support, no pension. I did not break. I fought back. I earned an engineering degree, then a master's degree. I built systems for giants, Samsung, Intel. Then my body failed. Long hours, a broken spine. 8-hour days became impossible. My body stopped. My skills did not. So I built a bot. I put $59,000 of my own money on the line. Real money, no demos. I trade manually to learn Wall Street from the inside. Every trade is public, verified on Kinfo. And next to me is Silverhawk, my autonomous Python algorithm. It watches every move I make. It is learning, trade by trade. This is a high-frequency ladder bot, built to replace me. If the code proves better than the man, I hand over control. All of it. $59,000. This is not a tutorial. This is a survival log. Man versus machine. Real money versus real code. I am coding my way out of the cage. Subscribe to watch the system scale. Join the grid. Let us hack the world.